AI memory sounds helpful until your agent remembers the wrong thing, forgets the important thing, or stores something it should never have kept. Today we are looking at Mem0 through the Doramagic Manual. Mem0 is an open-source memory infrastructure for AI agents and applications. Its job is to store, retrieve, update, and delete memories across conversations and sessions, so an AI system can keep useful context without stuffing everything into the prompt. The core idea is scope. Mem0 separates memory into levels such as user, agent, session, and run. User memory is for long-lived preferences or facts about a person. Agent memory is for information relevant to a specific agent. Session memory is temporary context for one conversation. Run memory is tied to a particular execution. That distinction matters because memory is not just retrieval. It is governance. If a preference belongs to one user, it should not leak into another user. If a fact was only relevant in one session, it should not become a permanent personality trait. Mem0's basic operations are add, search, update, and delete. Add stores new information and can extract useful facts. Search retrieves relevant memories using semantic search and, in some setups, keyword or hybrid matching. Update changes memories when new information supersedes the old version. Delete removes memories by specific item or scope. The architecture in the manual is modular. An application calls the Mem0 API layer. The memory core coordinates vector storage, graph storage, databases, embedding models, and LLM-based extraction or synthesis. That means you need to choose more than a package. You need to choose storage, embedding provider, language model provider, and deployment mode. There are 3 practical deployment paths. Cloud is the fastest way to start with hosted infrastructure. Self-hosted server gives more control and uses Docker-based setup. Local SDK integration works when you want memory inside a Python or Node application. The Python package is Mem0 AI. The Node package is Mem0 AI as well. CLI tools are available for terminal-based workflows. The safe first run should avoid sensitive data. Create a test user, add one harmless preference like dark mode or Vim key bindings, search for it, update it, delete it, and confirm it is gone. Then inspect configuration, provider keys, storage backend, user IDs, and retention behavior. The main pitfall is confusing memory with truth. A retrieved memory is a signal, not a fact that should override current user instructions, security policy, or fresh evidence. My practical verdict: Mem0 is interesting when your agent needs continuity across sessions. But do not add persistent memory casually. Define scope, consent, deletion, provider boundaries, and evaluation before real users depend on it. The Doramagic Manual, project page, and official repository are linked below.